There goes the mail. Well, this train's coming. I wonder if these guys know this at this intersection. There's a train oh, there it is. The lights came on. There's the siren. Look out. Here comes the train. I wonder if we're going to get the mail today. You know how they're cutting the budgets. Oh, there's the mail. We got it. The Indian motorcycle steam engine delivered the mail. Can you believe it? Amazing. What a machine. What a machine. Oh boy, what a sight. What a sight. Delivered the mail and everything. There we are. All over but the shouting. Okay, that's a wrap. I've done the nut and bolt. I had a wire getting frayed. I fixed that. I've done everything I can to make it as reliable as I can, and what I'm going to do now is try to clean it a little bit without creating more damage. More chips. Don't want any more chips. Okay, later.